South Africans are lazy.
Yeah.
Because anybody sending signal is not a mentor.
How do you live? Okay.
So I have a PAMM account where people invest.
This is what traders should be doing.
There's some little thing that you have to be dropping. You face the reality of life.
So Ola's also got an account for his birthday fund, and he's got a holiday fund.
Invested into it because once you have the skill,
So they don't want to go and get the skill. Not only use that and put it into different revenue streams, but say we got an individual that came over that wants to protect the capital, let it run, but also wanted to take out something end of the month.
yeah. The reason why I like PAMM and MAM more than copy trade is because when you are using copy trade,
I also told my kids, go, you get your degree, but this what you know now, it's a skill.
Forex or trading in general, the entire industry, it's not the way to make easy money. However, it's the hardest way to make easy money.
Team Sham, the FX Cartel podcast.
Hi guys, so welcome back to another FX Cartel podcast, and today we're joined by Mr. Ola for part 3, and we've got Zishan, Martin's FX Cartel member from our Cape Town offices, who's now currently based in Johannesburg. So let's get straight into it. I know we have very interesting podcast, Mr. Ola.
thank you, sir.
And today we're going to be talking about investment trading.
Yeah, I think that is a very, very matured aspect of trading.
Definitely.
Yeah, because all these small kids,
Yeah.
the way they are promoting all this actually is not the way it's supposed to be. Because you know that if you look at Forex as a business, yeah, you can use it as a business, but it's an investment tool.
Yeah.
I used to tell everybody, all my students, all my members, that Forex trading is an investment tool.
100%.
But it's not being well represented by society, and the way the narrative that broker, IB, they are pushing to people, influencer online, the one that is misleading a lot of people. That's why they think the business is a fraud. Because I saw a lot of people that I've met, they will tell you that a lot of money have been wasted on Forex. It's not real. But it's not because it's not real, it's because they went into the business in a wrong approach, with a wrong approach. Let's come to, for instance, I'm a software engineer.
Yes.
You know, so I can't venture into selling of a car without go and learn proper approach to become a car dealer. So if I just use my experience and start a car dealer shop, there's possibility for me to be running my business at loss.
Yes.
And to close the door because I don't really know
Yep.
about the business. So that is exactly it's the same thing applicable to Forex business.
Yes.
And the funniest thing I used to tell people is that, let me ask you, do you know that Forex space is the most regulated space in the world?
Yes. It's supposed to be.
It's the most regulated,
Yeah.
you know? Because I used to tell a lot of people, when you say Forex is a scam,
Yeah.
can you tell me why it's a scam? Because it's the most regulated space in the world.
100%. I think, it's the influential aspect of it that people fall for, influencers and not traders. And because of that, that's where we get the elements of scamming and portraying false images.
Good. But if I ask you, who are we going to blame for that negligent or the space of? Because let me tell you, the fact, the truth, is 90% of people promoting Forex are fraudsters.
Yeah.
90. I'm telling you. And who are we going to blame? for that?
Ourselves.
No.
Who?
Brokers.
The broker. Okay.
Now, if broker calls you now today and they tell you that they're going to furnish your life,
Yeah.
your lifestyle, but you have to lie. Do you know that some broker goes to the extent, I'm telling you the fact, they open a demo account for all their influencers,
Yeah.
but they will remove demo from it, they'll put real.
Yeah.
Because they have empty fallback end. Now, they can put $1 million there. You understand? And this person will be parading himself that I have $1 million, and all the trade he or she is placing is not even a real trade, because you are placing trades on a demo account.
Demo account.
And some broker goes to that level
Yeah.
to give those influencer demo account that is real, and you see them flipping their face phone. That look at it. We kill today's CPI.
Yes.
Oh, look at it. I killed CPI.
Yeah.
I told you guys, it's a lie.
Yeah.
Because they can hold even all the flipping or everything in the market with a very huge lot size.
Yeah.
They are looking for 5 pips, 10 pips,
100%.
opportunity, and you see them one lot size. How can you have a real money and be trading one lot size on gold?
Yeah.
But you see, a lot of people doesn't know this. They just want to see that blue color,
Blue screens.
a blue screen, and that's why I keep on telling a lot of people.
Look, you got to take the losses with the wins. It's not about. It's not about, for me. It's not about the blue screens. It's how we manage our losses.
Because you have passed that level.
Yeah.
There will be a time that you are tempted when you see that blue screen
Yeah.
to call the person and say, "Can you mentor me?"
Yeah.
And that's what is happening in the industry. You understand?
100%.
I used to tell people when you talk to me, I will tell you I'm an investment trader.
Yes.
Because I got my job. Because, it's like people said, in Africa, we like to replace prayer with laziness. We don't want to work hard.
Yeah.
But we can go to prayer centers.
Yes.
And spend a couple of hours for God to bring my manners. Exactly.
Yeah.
What you are talking about.
Yes.
Some people finish school, from a secondary school, they don't get a job.
Yeah.
And they see that, this is safe haven for me. They jump into it and they start behaving the way they want to behave.
Yeah.
And all the problem come from the broker.
Yeah.
Because brokers, even when they are regulated, okay, look at BD I don't know, maybe you know about BD what happened last year. BD is regulated in South Africa. They have FSCA number.
Okay.
Okay. And they open they open office in Sandton.
Yeah.
They did IB structure, what with everybody. People pulling a lot of their clients there. Less than 6 months, they close up. And up to today, they've not paid people's money back.
You joking?
And, I asked myself.
So look, I'm aware of that. It's happened
Yeah,
with a couple of brokers.
Last year.
Yeah.
Most of my clients also fall victim.
Victim.
Okay? Where we wrote, and that's why sometimes when I look at FSCA,
Yep.
we appreciate them because they regulated the process. But what do they do to be the Swiss that run away with all the people's money and they are regulated under their umbrella, under their umbrella,
Yeah.
and now they'll be chasing after all those small boys selling signal.
Yeah.
Doesn't make sense to me
It doesn't.
because that is a big thief, and they are running after those small
Yeah.
thieves. You know,
Why don't you go after the real?
and the red thief is the one that is helping the small thieves to penetrate in the community. They give them cars, they give them houses, they dress them up.
Yep.
They give them demo account that have huge capital,
Wow.
and they remove demo from it. They put real for them. So who is the culprit? It's the broker. So those things are failing. Even the institutional body that is governing all these things, they are failing people. But to me, I used to tell Forex is not a scam. It's
Yeah.
the most regulated space in the world.
In the world.
And nobody will regulate scam.
And I think
Nobody
it should be
regulates-
treated that way, and that is something that we have a culture within FX Cartel, Team Sham FX Cartel, that, portray it because we're dealing with finances, guys. Come over. You need to be professional. You can't be wanting to run someone's or, help someone in the finance industry or their monies, and then you acting like a small boy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I saw a client that called me from Canada a few days ago, and he said he saw one of the podcasts. I don't know which one because I have a couple of podcasts online.
Yeah.
And I normally ask, but I forgot to ask him.
Yeah.
And he was telling me that he loved my podcast. I said, very strange to me because people doesn't like my podcast because it's a controversial issue.
100%.
Because when I tell somebody don't use stop loss, all the internet are scamming.
Oh, you can't
They're
believe
troubling.
our last podcast. What do you mean? You can't. What about your risk? But I don't think they heard the full version
No, they
of
don't.
it.
They don't because they lack knowledge.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
You know, many people that are parading themselves as a trader lack knowledge in the first place. I have first degree in mathematics and statistics. I got honor in statistics.
Yes.
I'm not like those dudes that finished metric
Yeah.
and they came to the business. What do they have here? Is it not what broker told them and what they are reading in the books? You know, what they are reading in the books, if you apply what I can bet you,
Yes.
whatsoever book you buy online or wherever, apply 90% or 100% of the strategy, you are still going to blow your account.
Yeah.
So somebody want to learn, ask question.
Yes.
You know, when you want to learn, you ask question.
Yeah.
You don't condemn a statement that is not you don't understand.
Understand.
100%.
Instead for you to now say how, because I saw a stitching of one of your
The podcast.
podcasts and the short one
Yeah, yeah.
where I say don't use stop loss.
Yes.
The guy stitched the video and he said that guy is bloody liar. He said he have he can show 2 year statement. He said I was laughing. I watched it, but I responded to him that I'm not a content creator.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a trader, full-time trader.
100%.
If you go to my YouTube, you see what I'm teaching my students. Okay, I'm not an influencer.
Yeah.
I'm not a content creator. I will not argue with you, but go to my channel, YouTube channel. I put my YouTube handle there.
Yeah.
Go and look at what I'm talking about. If you can figure it out,
Yeah.
then you want to learn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The person didn't respond to today. Maybe he went and I went to his own YouTube too.
Yeah.
I can see all his YouTube is about crypto. You make million with crypto. I said, these are the kind of people. Yeah, because those are the kind of people that are trading.
Yeah.
And they parade themselves as a trader.
Yeah.
You understand?
Portraying.
So, but you see, if we see why this thing is created, it's in two form, which I can tell anyone. You can use Forex skill to generate monthly income, but it's very, very tough to do that.
Yeah.
And I will tell you, and you can use it as an investment tool. I use it as investment tool.
Me too.
And I use it as an income generator monthly.
Yeah.
Because you see, Forex have two segments. Business aspect, trading aspect.
Yes.
But there's not going to be a business without a trading.
Trading.
So trading is the first thing, because when you say you're affiliate with the broker, you're IB with the broker, you're collecting CPA, what else again? All those things. It's because somebody traded.
Yeah.
If nobody trade, you can't exist.
Yeah.
So I took the trading aspect as a very important aspect for me, because without it, no other business regarding Forex will be existing. Okay. So now, but I do the business aspect of it because I have software I'm selling.
Yeah.
It's a business aspect of it. It's not a trading aspect of it. But what makes me a little bit different is because I'm trading.
Yeah.
Like tonight, I have a class.
Yes.
All my students will be
I know.
online because I launched another software a few days ago, which I need to show them how to set it up. So now you ask me, a guy called me from Kenya also yesterday. Okay, before I finish, I said a guy called me from Canada.
Yeah.
The guy said, I've lost so much, but I saw your podcast. I said, okay, fine. He said, I want to know about your strategy. I said, my strategy is for investment. It's not for account flipping.
Yeah.
It's not for you to make monthly salary.
Yes.
It's an investment. Are you working? He said, yes, I'm fully working. I work 2 shifts. I said, okay, fine. I can absorb you in my class, because I don't want to absorb anybody who doesn't work, who doesn't have anything doing, but you want to come to Forex. You are going to be a desperate person in my
100%.
class, and you want to turn $100 to become $10,000. Exactly what I said. The guy said he's looking for where he's going to put $1,000, and he will be withdrawing $10,000 every year. I even thank him that, okay, for every year, I thank you for that, because you are a little bit reasonable.
Yeah.
But nothing can. There's me.
Yeah.
I don't
It's
have
not guaranteed.
I can't have. I don't have it. If I have it, maybe I may not even do a podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I have something that can put $1,000 and it will be giving me $10,000 every year, then by now I should have $500,000.
100%.
Personal money.
Yes.
Okay. So I told him it's not possible. He said, no, there's nothing impossible in Forex. I said, yes. If you gamble and you have a gamble luck,
Yeah.
you can get it.
100%.
But how many people get that gamble?
Mm.
If you go everywhere, population that say Forex is a scam is higher than population that say I make money in Forex.
Mm.
Yeah.
You understand? That shows that it's not for gamblers.
Yeah.
It's not for gamblers. So, but if you are a discipline-minded person, adult, I don't talk to chicks, all those small boys.
Yeah.
I don't want to even see them around me.
Yeah.
I'm telling you,
100%.
you know, I normally say it every time.
Yes.
I want to work with a mature person that have earned money,
Yeah.
that knows how to earn money.
You see, you respect it better.
Because now, if you have that, I normally tell them, get your skill, get your money, but not the money you want to use to pay house rent. Not the money for your school fees or school fees of your kids. Not the money you are using to pay bond or you are paying car installment. That's not the kind of money you have to go and trade with. Don't go and take loan to trade Forex. Don't go and take either loan from bank or cooperative society. Don't take Mashalosha, what do they call it in South Africa? Mashalosha, those
Loan sharks.
loan shark.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those money will kill you. And you can never bring a cent back. Forex will take it from you. But if you are comfortable, you have $10, put it in your Forex portfolio, change it to cent.
Yes.
$10 to cent to give you 1,000 cents. It's still money.
Yes.
Every month you put $10, $5. After you satisfy yourself, all your needs has been taken good care of.
Yes.
Then you put it there. That kind of money is a good money to learn Forex with. Because one, you are not desperate. So you learn the scale in a proper way. You understand what I'm saying? And in a couple of years, you start making maybe your first $100, hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars. Because now the scale is inside your blood. It's boiling. You know what you are doing. Especially when you have a good mentor.
Yeah.
I can say I'm one of them.
Yes. 100%.
Because as I'm talking to you now, I have 72 years old.
Yeah.
Old man in my platform.
Yeah.
That told me that he even sent me a lot of books he has read. I told him no amount of book you are reading that can make you understand this system.
100%.
You need to go and meet somebody that is trading, not tutoring.
Exactly.
Not promoting Forex. As in when you can see the trading portfolio. When somebody wants to give you a signal,
Yeah.
you need to ask, can I see the result, performance of your trading signal for at least 1 year?
Yeah.
Not that, we kill it mass. You can't kill it one day and you blow everything next day.
Yeah, 100%. So there's no consistency. It's like, we were busy back testing and doing stuff, and I think we spoke about it outside the other day in our meeting. We had an annual return of 34%.
Yeah. If my account, that account is sitting on 48 now.
You see, look at that.
But when you tell somebody,
And I think in our last podcast, what were we sitting on? Were we on 12%? 21.
21.
21.
21%.
21. Wow.
So it's now 40.
Wow.
I think it's last week I checked it's on FS Blue. I normally put it on FS Blue.
Yeah.
It's a 48.8%.
Wow.
In 22 months.
Okay, and we've got now 3 months to go.
3 months.
Projection is still around 50 something.
Yeah. Because that's about, let's say, last year was fine, it was beautiful, but this year was not okay.
Okay.
Because you can see all the economy manipulation of Donald Trump tweeting all this. Look at what he tweeted about 2 or 3 weeks ago that crashed crypto market, people committing suicide. And those
2,000.
Yeah.
And look at a major trader, 30 million USD.
Yeah.
But that's got to be over leveraging.
That's what we are saying. That's what we are saying.
How do you apply?
Okay, now imagine, no matter what Donald Trump tweeted, I have a student that started trading. I can show you, he's on my phone.
Yeah.
It came to me that I started trading with your strategy with $100. And that time he screenshot for me, I think last week. He was sitting on $200 and something. I was even laughing. If somebody managing $100 did not blow account, how come $30 million account portfolio will be blowing? That's what we are saying, that many people comes to this industry to come and double wealth. A lot of people commit suicide.
Yeah.
Whose fault?
I was shocked. When I saw that post come up, I saw it on Reels or something. I couldn't believe it. I was shocked. 2,000 people committed suicide. One specific guy lost $34 million, took his life. How?
Because they went there to go and double fortune. Forex is not meant for that. Let me give you an instance. And I want you to do the mathematics. And whoever is listening to this podcast, let's say you started trading $1,000. Okay? You trading $1,000 last year. Just go to investment calculator. It's online. Just go there and put your investment is $1,000 and put there that, okay, maybe on average of 3% per month in the next 5 years.
Yes.
In the next 5 years.
Yeah.
You are going to see the wonder of compounding and having the skill.
I was going to say that. And
And you never blow your account because you will be consistent. Depending on the person that mentor you, depending on the who are
I
you.
emphasize that, saying, guys, don't worry. Any deposit, compound it.
That's
And see what results
will be.
you will be
That's
in,
why
that
you can see. You know there's an investment company called Allen Gray
yes.
here in South Africa. Can you say people are stupid to go and put their money in Allen Gray? Allen Gray is about 8 to 9,000. 9%. And they will tell you when you put the money with them, you have to. I think the minimum investment is 5 years. You understand? You buy government bond.
Yeah.
Or a treasury bond of government, they will tell you have to wait for the 12 months. And they'll give you between 15 to 20. Most times it's 15, 17, they will pay you at the end of the whole year. So are you telling me that you are more smarter than those very mighty institutions?
Yeah.
Or you go to the bank. Bank will give you 8%. They are trading what you are trading. But you will never go to put your money in bank and do investment of 1 year. You won't see anything unless you put millions in multiples, maybe 2, 3, 4 millions above before you see that, okay, at the end of the year, what they gave me is
Yeah. I think now, what's it now, about 8, 9%?
Yeah. No, I don't think there's a bank in South Africa that can give you 9%. African Bank and Capitec are the one giving higher rates before, but I think they have dropped it.
Dropped it now.
So if I thought they give you 10% in a year, but if you can trade and make that 10% by yourself, you are more powerful and more knowledgeable and more skillful than to put your money in the bank and get the same 10%. And I will tell you the reason. So, because let's say you have R500,000, you put it in a bank for a year. Once you have any financial constraint within 1 year contract, and you go and talk to your bank that you need emergency money, and you break it, they are going to deduct from your 500,000.
100%.
100%.
Because you breach the contract. But if you know how to do this yourself, you can pull it out, go and solve your problem, and pull it back.
Yes.
That's what I keep on. That freedom alone is okay for anybody who wants to acquire the knowledge.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? Today is CPI.
Yeah.
If not because we are talking about it. I didn't check my phone.
Yeah.
I did not check my phone since morning.
So, so he's not stressed.
I'm not stressed.
He's not stressed because it hasn't blown, or he's not over leveraging. He knows that the software is, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's not like how we would trade it now, get in, and we want to trade it. He's not worried, and we stuck on the phone.
Yeah.
No.
I don't do that, and that's what I'm preaching to everybody in my group, all over the. I think it's only South Africa I don't have in my group. I would like to.
So
But
that's why we are here.
Other African countries are in my group from Namibia, Kenya, Tanzania, Nigeria, wherever.
Yeah.
They are, and I love the way and we took ourselves as family. I have a lot of people from Australia, from UK. I have a lot of people from UK.
You've got from India as well. I think I was with you.
She's the one calling me now.
Yeah.
She's the only one from India. So and all of us see that lady from India joined my platform September 2024. This is a year and a month now.
Yeah.
She told me that highest 3 months, he has blown the account before he met me. She had never blown up to now.
Yeah, no. We've blown lots of accounts.
I've grown to when I started because all of us when we started, we started on basis of the wrong information they are giving us.
Correct.
And the-
Stop
Correct.
loss is part of it.
Yeah.
There's a way to stop loss.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. If you cannot edge,
Yes.
Yeah.
you are still trading like fool. Broker will take your money.
And that's the mindset that a lot of people come in with. And if you don't have the discipline, what's the use of trading?
Mm.
And the kind of money you put there is the kind of money that will never change your financial lifestyle. If
Because
you-
you'll be only giving it to them.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So let's touch a little bit on the investment part. Let's try to educate. So I know I'm an investor trader, right? I'm not one of those traders that are trading to make a monthly income or a daily income. I just want to see a return on my investment, and I want to see it over a long term. So I do a lot of compounding, small profits, and I don't chase the market. But if the market gives it to us, I take it. I
Market
take
gave
it.
it to me
I'm
now,
like,
I took
thank
it.
you. I'm like, I saw that.
Yeah.
I saw that. I'm like, thank you. And I'm ever so grateful. So let's touch on that, just to bring a bit of awareness or education around investment trading.
Yeah, what I would say about investment trading is just like you give it a long time something. For example, let's say okay, let me give you my own. I have an account of $5,000 that I'm trading, and I'm looking for in a day, I'm looking for maximum of 0.5%.
Okay.
Maximum, but normally I'm doing 0.01, 0.02 per day. So if I do that for 20 working days, sometimes I find myself at a profit of 2.5, 2%, 2.5, 4% per month.
So you're saying 0.02% a day?
I do, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
That most cases.
Right. Okay.
But like today now, I think I did 0.48.
Okay.
Because it's a CPA and the software behaved fine with the CPA. I didn't check if not because but immediately I check, I do the calculation that okay, I did more than expected.
Yes.
Today. So monthly, I'm looking for 2% of my return on my investment, and minimum, and I'm looking for 5% maximum.
Right.
But in most cases, this year I've not done 5%.
Yeah.
The whole year I've not done 5%. But on one of my accounts, this month I did 4.5 already.
Okay.
But I may roll it over. That's crazy thing about my own trading strategy.
Yeah.
But rollover is not what I can discuss here.
Yeah.
So once you are doing 2%, 2.5, 5% per month, now I will advise that, okay, because the money is not for urgent need, it's a savings that you are using to build wealth.
Exactly.
You start looking after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5
100%.
years.
So I'll just fill you in. So Ola's also got an account for his birthday fund, and he's got a holiday fund.
I have holiday fund.
Yeah, he's got a holiday fund account and his birthday.
Changing
and
of my car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Currently, my account, my car portfolio is empty because I don't think car is my priority any longer.
Priority, 100%.
We are, once you are growing old, there's some little things that you have to be dropping. You face the reality of life. A fancy car is not my.
Yeah, sure.
It's not my
Yeah.
something anymore. So currently, after I bought this Honda Civic, I empty my
Your car fund.
portfolio.
Okay.
So I just have holiday and birthday and normal account I'm trading for my other thing.
Okay.
Because I'm currently I'm doing a farm of 2 hectares.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
some money goes there also.
So you would only use it once it's hit target. So how do you live?
Like I told you, I make money in many areas.
Okay.
I'm a software engineer.
Okay.
But most of my job I did it for myself. I have a e-learning platform for South Africa, and currently we have started developing e-learning. That's the same e-learning product for Nigeria. I've started this month.
Yeah.
So I invested my money in
Multiple,
but everything
different
based
streams.
online.
But I also think, this is what traders should be doing. Not only use that and put it into different revenue streams
Yes.
and generate revenue, elsewhere.
100%.
Because today they'll have it, risk it all for the biscuit, and everything is blown. Everything is gone.
Everything
And
is
Gone. Yes.
initially, trading should just be a stepping stone for that freedom that you want, because
100%.
that's the reason why majority of traders come into this industry, to get that freedom that a lot of people only wish they had.
Yeah.
So trading should just be the first step on building that multiple streams of
of income.
income.
Yeah.
Exactly. Because now, all the money that I'm getting, I for my robot subscription, for commission from brokers,
Yes.
they gave me commission. All those ones are in forex business
Yes.
section.
Yeah.
All the ones I'm making on my own, so I'm rechanneling them to develop more source of income.
Okay.
That will sustain me more, because now kids are in university.
Yeah.
And all of them are going to
It's
private
expensive.
university. So they're going to, the one that's not in university, they go to private secondary school, not public school. They are very lucky, because
Yeah.
somebody like us, we go to, everything in our life is public.
And congratulations to the baby on her amazing results.
You see, so I use it as a place to get add currency and quickly convert it to local currency and do it for local more local investment, that it will attract other local people, because everybody cannot be a forex trader.
Yep.
I have a PAMM account, but I don't agree. I don't allow South Africa, because I don't have license to operate
License.
PAMM in South Africa.
Yeah.
So I have a PAMM account. In fact, the lady that called me, that lady that comes from India,
Yeah.
is asking for the PAMM account.
Okay.
She want to invest into it.
Okay.
So I have a PAMM account where people invested into it, because once you have the skill, people have money.
Exactly.
And once they see that they have money, the first thing is my money must not go. Then the second thing is how
Gotta
much profit.
protect your capital.
Yes. So many people say that they've been the PAM account has been running for the past 6 months.
Yes.
No capital missing, no capital, because they can go to the website. I give them to the link. They can go and see what we are doing.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So
if someone got the software, the software would also, if they wanted to take a portion of it for day to day or monthly, they are able to do that, but it will affect the return.
I don't understand the question. Maybe you call me.
So we're saying, yes, me and you, we trade annually, we leave it there, it compounds, till the end of the year, and then we see, right, okay, listen, for my investment, this was the return for my investment. But say we got an individual that came over that wants to protect the capital, let it run, but also wanted to take out something end of the month.
Yeah. I normally tell all my followers that on my PAM account that I would prefer you to wait till end of the year. Is good like that.
Yeah.
Maybe something for your or Christmas holiday, whatever holiday you want to go for cruising. Then you are putting money in. It's like you are putting your money in a piggy bank.
Yes.
Yeah.
You understand? But the difference is that any money you save that doesn't work for you is depreciating. But this one is appreciating, because little cent is coming in on top of it, depending on how much you are putting every month. But if you have, like a guy called me from UK, he invested $800, and he told me that he needs $600 desperately. I told him, well, you don't need to tell me. Just go to your MT4 account.
Yeah.
Call your money back. When you call your money back, immediately he called the money back, the system has been programmed in such a way that it will give me my own profit out of the money.
Okay.
And when he called the money back, it's 20% I charge. I charge 20% per from your profit.
Oh, okay.
You the owner of the money will take 80%.
Yes.
So immediately you take your money out. If it's a profit level, the system will take my 20% for me.
So it's like our copy trading that we used to have.
Yeah,
It was set
yeah.
in that similar.
But I don't.
But this is PALM is combined capital. It's combined capital where we.
The reason why I like PAM and MAM more than copy trade is because when you are using copy trade, every account, every portfolio is scattered. You understand? And that's why some account will blow, some account will succeed. You know. But if you do PAMM or MAM, all the money, all your clients' money are pooled together
Yeah.
in one portfolio that you are managing. But you don't have access to their money.
Right.
But when you log into your account, you see that this $20,000.
Yeah. We're trading the entire portfolio as
as a
two
pool.
individual accounts.
Yes.
Yeah.
An individual account don't need to talk to you before
Yeah.
they withdraw their money.
Right.
Whenever they need.
So how does that system now work out the calculation? The split automatically?
No, when you create as a PAM manager.
Sorry, I've never done it. So
Yeah. As a PAM manager, during the time you are creating your PAM account, you are going to put all the parameters there.
Okay.
That I want 20% from investor, from the
Okay.
profit. Investor take 80%, and system will be the one doing that anytime they want to pull out their fund.
Okay. So it's nice. It's the same thing as the copy trading, just that the benefit of this, it's
pool.
one pool of one balance. It's easier to manage and to control.
Yeah.
And obviously the returns are going to be better because everyone's funds put together would give you a better return on it.
Yeah.
So yeah, very nice.
Those are another way people can start investing if they don't want to. Everybody cannot be a trader.
Yeah.
But what I normally tell the small kids of today is that go and get a skill. I'm telling you, it's one of the best skill in the world.
Yeah.
I just imagine myself don't know how to trade. With all the qualification I have, I imagine what salary will be.
Yeah.
I will imagine, when you are doing salary job, you don't have freedom.
Yeah.
And imagine how my salary will be, and I imagine how
Your
the
time.
kind of life I want to give to my kids, that I'm giving to them now, that I'm proud that I'm giving to them now.
100%.
I imagine how it will be possible. I'm in Africa, and I'm making money in dollars. $1,000 is 18,000 rand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In South Africa. If you are getting 18,000 rand regularly every month in South Africa, you are still okay.
Yeah.
If you don't spend roughly.
Yeah.
And imagine when I'm saying $1,000, I stay in Kenya or all other African, including Nigeria. $1,000 in Nigeria as of today is 1.5 million naira.
Yeah.
That's my rent in South Africa in a month.
Look at that.
So I normally tell people, these young kids, because you go to school, even my kids, I tell them, no matter how the degree you have, nobody is creating job anymore.
Exactly.
So all school, university will release like 1 million graduates every year, and no country build 20 companies every year. So it's a knowledge, it's a skill acquisition that even parents need to look for one or two intelligent kids and push into that area.
100%. So one of the things that we are looking to do, and I don't know if it's a bit premature to talk about it, but we want to skill, the youngsters in a more professional manner, and to make them also give them the understanding and education on how to respect your money, But in saying that, yes, I also told my kids, go, you get your degree, but this, what you know now, it's a skill. It's a skill that I have. I've passed it on to my children. They will pass it now down to their children, and it will just revolve. Because in today's world, I can possibly lose all my businesses. I'm a businessman. I'm a risk taker, right? They could work for a boss. They could lose their job.
Yeah.
What do? They have the skill to generate, something for themselves and their
And not
homes.
the funny thing.
Yeah.
For instance, if you have the skill and you are sure you have the skill.
Yeah.
Okay, for example, let me just use myself.
Yeah.
I have the skill, and I'm surely confident about my skill.
Yeah.
If you are thinking of trading with investment mind, I am okay.
A matured person.
Okay. I know how much I'm managing now, and majority of people that put money in my portfolio, I don't know them. That's how powerful this skill is. I don't know them because they know their money. My hand cannot touch their money.
Yeah.
And I think
And
that's
they
the
know,
best part of it,
they've been
right?
watching some of my profile, they realize that, oh, this guy is consistent. Those are months. This year I did 0.5, 2 months.
Yeah.
It's not up to 1%.
Yeah.
But still, people stay there because it's still a profit.
So I think that's amazing. You know, where normally traders, they don't think that kind of way. Now you've got the skill, you know that, listen, yeah, okay, fine. This is how I should handle my finances, how I should trade, and you carry on from there.
And
I've got 2 degrees. Now I don't use them.
don't use my. I spent many years of my life to look for that cardboard.
Yeah. For a piece of paper.
Yeah, for the piece of paper.
It's crazy.
So and now there's another good thing of funding programs. Many prop firm are there. If you have the skill and you know you have the skill, trade, pass,
Yeah.
get funding.
Yeah.
In on my group, I think I have 5 or 4 people who trading $100,000 currently.
Yeah.
You understand?
So
And
that's exactly what myself and D, we ran a podcast, and we spoke about, you know, the funded account challenges. And guys, you know, if you think you're gonna want to trade like how you normally trading day to day, it is not the accounts for you, because they have rules behind it, and it's unforgiving.
Because when you want to trade a prop firm,
Yeah,
you have to be in a seat of a
Skilled.
professional.
correct, 100%.
Not this NFP is coming, hey, come and trade NFP. Buy and start. No, you
Exactly.
come
You need to have the mindset. You need to apply your risk management. You need to treat
100%.
it as a business.
Yeah, consistency.
Because most of the businesses out there, they hire people for what? The one commodity that we can't replace, which is time, right? And people don't understand that you need to take the time to either learn the skill or just give your time in exchange for the money.
Yeah,
And in order to implement that with the funded accounts, right, you need to put yourself in a professional level as if you're working for someone, because that is how you can develop yourself, and not just yourself, your mentality, and eventually your accounts.
yeah,
And now there are a lot of products in prop firm space. Like where I am, we don't buy.
yeah,
We don't buy accounts.
Mm.
You trade your own money,
Mm.
and broker contacted you that, oh, we see that you are trading your money and you are trading it nice. We give you 5,000
yeah.
up to 1 million. That's why I have.
So it's on a sliding scale.
Yeah, it's on a sliding scale. And they want you to invest too. You have to invest.
Yes.
For example, for them to give you $5,000, you must have $500 in your account. Your own personal money. You are not buying anything. You can withdraw your 500 anytime. So if you look at prop firm also, they have started different products on it. I saw one advert on YouTube. That company, they don't give you. You are not buying anything. They just want to see your trading profile.
Okay.
They verify it with your broker.
Yeah.
They verify it on third-party platform like FS Blue or my FS Book, and they give it to investors. They link both of you together.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, that it's a skill.
Yeah. So they want to see it in black and white.
Yes.
You know, don't come and tell me you got a skill. Bring the paper.
Yeah, like a guy, like a guy yesterday. He called me from Kenya, and he said, I watched a podcast. It's from Kenya yesterday. Yeah, I don't know which podcast it was. He said, no, I want to trade. I love your strategy. What. Can you give me proof of trade? I said, people, yeah, this is what I want.
Yeah.
People are now waking up.
Yeah.
Now,
They're getting the idea.
Yeah.
They're getting the idea. Don't show us blue screens.
Yeah,
Show
show us trading statements.
Yeah.
I said, no, go to FS Blue. I give him the link. He said, no, can you print it and give it to me? I said, I have the one I use for my students.
Yeah.
I can print that one out. Is it okay? Because I can't print big account.
100%.
People's
It's not
account.
beneficial to him.
I can't print it out. It's breach of contract.
Yeah.
You know? Then he said yes. And I took it out. I give it to him. When he looked at it, he said, no, I'm not clear. There are two. I said, that's what you are requesting for. It's almost 2 years statement.
Yeah.
It will be enormous.
Yeah.
It's too much. But the same account I printed for you, if you want to know how much I'm making monthly, go to the FS Blue. The same account on FS Blue is what I gave you. When you go to FS Blue and say monthly report, monthly income, FS Blue will take all this statement I gave you and break it to monthly.
Yeah.
Then after like a couple of hours, it coming back that, oh yeah, this is the first time I'm seeing this. I'm happy. Now I want to trade profit. I say, I don't trade profit, but I trade with a broker
Yeah.
that gave us funding.
Yeah.
If you have interest, it's okay. I'll call back, but I'm happy with what I saw. And that is kind of liberation we need to give to people
Yeah.
instead of falling for this signal provider that doesn't have any record of trading themselves. Is they are making money from. It's not a crime to sell a signal.
No.
But it's a crime for you not to be accountability for people you are selling signal to.
Exactly.
When I'm in your signal group this month, maybe I pay $50 or 500 rand or whatever that people are paying per month. When I pay it, at the end of the month, I should be able to see your profile, all the signal you sell to me, you sold to me during the month. I want to see you as my mentor that is giving me signal. Where is your trade
Yeah.
for that month?
Yes.
Let me see why you make so much and I didn't make so much. Because a lot of them will tell you at the end of that, I said, see, massive profit this month, blue screen. Hey, we make $10,000.
In the beginning, I was in all the signal groups and I wanted all of them. And I think I've mentioned this before. And I would trade. Signal come over, it's buy. I get into the buy. I'm blown. This guy comes out and he's showing profit. I'm like, how? 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 Or he's coming out of the trade the next day. He's holding it. And I couldn't understand. And I said, no, but they're showing profits. I'm doing something wrong. And I would try again and try again. Eventually, I said, you know what? I'm going to lose everything by doing this. Get the skill. I taught myself. And after that, then I started.
And I feel like personally that's how we all start, because me personally, that's how I started as well.
Yeah.
Take signals, NFP comes, the mental full send it. That's what we do.
Yeah.
We blow, okay, cool. We realize that, okay, yes, he has the skill and he's showing blue screens. Why is he doing that? We chase it after the skill. Once we eventually get the skill, we get the mindset. Once we get the mindset, we get the profitability, we get the consistency.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
I'm one of the person that I normally kick against signal groups.
Yeah.
Is you're just wasting your money and your time. Now, if you cannot get, if you are busy, you cannot trade on your own. Go and look for somebody managing PAMM or MAM.
You see the
Now,
problem with this?
Just don't give your money to any trader.
South Africans are lazy.
Yeah.
So they don't want to go and get the skill. They don't want to do the analysis, the work. Some of them have 9 to 5s, don't have the time for it. Now they would prefer okay, let me get a mentor or a signal provider that's going to give me the signal, and they don't do the, accreditation
Let me
to see
even
that.
Sham, they don't even get mentor.
Yeah.
Because anybody selling signal is not a mentor.
No, 100%.
It's not a mentor because there's nothing you are learning from him.
Exactly.
You are just getting buy, sell, stop loss at this level. How did he analyze that signal I gave you? You don't know.
Yeah.
So those people are not mentor. They are just a sales rep selling signal for broker.
Yeah.
That is all. And the funniest thing is they are not even selling signal for strange people.
Yeah.
They will still motivate you that you must register with that broker with your IB.
Yeah.
So that as you are blowing, they are getting something out of your money from broker. Broker is paying them behind the scene. So to me, you can't call that kind of person a mentor. A mentor must have classes, must have meetings with you, not selling and selling alone.
100%. So I think you see how we separate ourselves from the rest, and we give that free classes.
Yes.
Sunday night, Thursday nights.
There we go. And what's the one thing that we always advise, especially new traders or beginners coming into this? We always tell you, we firstly debunk the common myths.
Yeah.
Like it's a get rich quick scheme, all of that. We clarify that from the get go.
Yeah.
And the main thing that we clarify that Forex or trading in general, the entire industry, it's not a way to make easy money. However, it's the hardest way to make easy money.
Yeah, yeah. You see,
Yeah.
and that they don't catch on.
Yeah.
It's the hardest way to make easy money with a appropriate planning.
Yeah, correct. You got to, and that's something that's very important for us also. You got to have a trading plan.
It's vital.
I like in my own platform.
Yeah,
Before you start trading, I have what we call precision calculation.
right.
We calculate the precision based on your capital because each and every one capitals are different. So we calculate the capital, and even this night I'm going to do it in my class again because every Friday is a practical class. I normally do that calculation until it's sink into
Your head.
Then you already know that the worst thing you can make this year is this. The good thing you can make in this year can be up to this. You can't know up to.
Yeah,
And what
it's
can
a basic projection.
what can happen to my capital if worst come is this.
Yeah.
So we've calculated it already with capital, number of trading, what percentage you want in a month, number of trading days. From there, you know the lot size, the maximum lot size you can expose your capital to. Then, when the emergency exit comes, at what drawdown? So that's why all my students are always relaxed.
Yeah, chilled.
You can never see them, hey, CPI, hey, NFP, hey. Everybody is doing their work, and most of them, 99% of my students are working class. Because when you enter, I'll tell you, from your salary, make sure you finish your expenses, something that can choke your life. If it is $5, $10 that is left, drop it on your trading portfolio.
Yeah,
Period.
that's it.
That's
Build
the way
it.
you can do it, and in an investment way.
Build it, get it bigger, and then see better returns.
And just what you said about the trading plan, that another point of the vital importance of a trading plan is that will initially prevent you from over leveraging. It will prevent you from setting unrealistic approaches towards trading. It will keep your mindset in check.
Yeah,
It will do all that.
to help.
Yeah.
So, in a nutshell, I used to tell people, be an investment trader, will give you a rest of mind, no high blood pressure, no sweating. And if you have the skill and you have a lot of people that cannot trade, but they want to invest because they saw your portfolio and they love what they see, that, okay, the first thing is my money is my money. It will never get lost for a year or two, that my account will be with this guy while they are figure it out how to learn. Then from there, you get a lot of money that can sustain you to survive every month, more than somebody who pick 9 to 5 job, and risking everything. If not because I'm here today.
Yeah.
Today is Friday, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's almost a week plus I've opened the door of my house. Everything is done in my house.
Yeah.
So you can imagine somebody that move out in the morning, come back 5 o'clock, and do that for 30 days and get one pay. And me that I stay in the indoor for the whole month, you cannot even get the salary I'm getting from this scale.
100%.
So that is why, because everybody cannot trade Forex.
Yeah.
But if you have the skill and you know how to make people see that you got the skill, they will dump money for you. Because a lot of people have capital, they are afraid to spend it, they want to invest it. So that is why bank will never die.
Yeah.
Despite the fact that they are paying people small interest.
Yeah.
They will never die because when people take their money there, the assurity, the guarantee that they're going to get their money back is almost 100% or 99%. But when you give it to a Forex trader, you don't have guarantee that you are going to get their capital back.
Could be tonight. God, I know. Well, there's a lot of them. We all know that this is how it started in the beginning.
Yeah.
Everyone gave their monies to Forex traders to trade, and it would go well for a week, and the next week the guy is gone. You can't get hold of. Hey, where's this guy?
One of
That
my
is no
friends
longer available.
gave somebody in Cape Town about 3-4 years ago, 1 million rand to trade. Every month, the guy is paying him, I think 10,000 rand or so, or 20,000 rand. He told me the story. He paid for 5 months
Yeah.
and he disappeared.
Gone. Yeah, it's a hook. So that, and you see, now that is what I like now, because these accounts, you're in control of it. It's opened on your side. You can withdraw and deposit when
Yeah.
you want to, and the portfolio is running. So, and that's where this has become nice now, because now that gives me peace of mind that, listen, I'm in control of my finance. I'm not taking it and giving it to this gentleman,
Yeah.
and he's gonna trade it, and I don't know if I'm gonna see him after 3 months. He's gonna be gone.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That transparency gives you that peace of mind.
Yeah, 100%.
And that's vital in this
Of
Yeah,
course.
yeah,
That's the biggest mistake people like us have done when we first started. And that's what I normally protect people against. Don't ever give your money to anybody, no matter the status. Dressing nice, bringing in a very beautiful car does not mean that person is a normal woman being.
Yeah.
100%.
And I normally tell people, when you are judging people with the way they look, which is a problem that Africans have up to now, you are killing yourself. Because most intelligent people, they don't even have time to dress up.
Yeah.
But those are the people that you can save your capital with. Not those ones that went to Avis to go and borrow car and or go to...
I saw a lot of that on social media. The Oaks are getting called out.
Yeah, you see, the way they auction their cars now.
Yeah.
Because, FSCA is on their neck.
Yeah.
They don't make that cheap money. And people have started knowing the truth. So I know the influential part of their life is going to be zero in Forex as time goes on.
And that is, people have to understand that. Stop falling victim to influencers. Look for traders. And I say that over and over. His lifestyle, his car, his house, his blue screens is doing nothing for you and your family.
When they
Nothing.
send you
Zero.
to the blue screen, they send you where they are looking during their holiday.
Yeah.
Tell the person that I don't fucking care about this. Where is your trading portfolio?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah.
I want to see at least 1 year. Then I will pay you to mentor me.
Yes.
But because they know that this lifestyle is a distraction. You won't be able to ask questions anymore. You just want to live the way they are living. And it's a fake life.
Yeah, yeah.
Most of these guys, broker pay their rent. They buy their shoe, they buy their clothes.
Yeah.
The car they are driving, they give it to them.
Yeah.
When some people breach the contract with the broker take the car back.
Gone. Yeah. I think I've seen that
They
also.
stop paying somebody's
Yeah.
rent.
Yeah.
Somebody rent, they stopped paying it. He left Midrand and went back to Polokwane,
Wow.
where he came from.
Sure.
Yeah, because he couldn't cope anymore.
Yeah.
People are waking up. People doesn't buy signal like before. People doesn't blindly pay for mentorship anymore. So the business collapsed.
Sure.
And he doesn't have the skill he's claiming he has. Because if you have a skill of trading, so people will invest. Even though in South Africa, you need to have Cat 2 or Cat 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why I don't do anything with South Africa, because I don't want problem.
Yeah.
So I don't have, at my time now, started reading book for Cat 1, Cat 2. What content me with Cat 1, Cat 2? I'd rather stay off.
Yeah.
As I don't have South African clients. I pay me off like that.
Okay. Yeah. So those palms are all overseas.
They are overseas. And all my clients are overseas clients.
Yeah. I know you don't deal with the South Africans. Yeah.
I don't.
All right. In closing, if you've got one some advice to give out to the community, what would it be?
The advice I'm going to give to community is, one, if you are a busy person, you cannot trade, don't give your money, don't hand over your hard-earned money to anybody parading himself is a trader. Please, instead of that, put your money in their broker account, look for account manager that have PAMM account with them, and link your account. And when you want to link your account, do your due diligence, look at the history of trading, so that person too will not eventually blow your account. Because if you go to many PAMM website, trader, you see they blow $1 million, $2 million, people's money, because those money are gathered together.
Together.
So you have to do
So
that.
those are aggressive
Yes,
traders.
yeah. Then, if you want to learn, before you call somebody your mentor, I don't even know how people take mentors.
Yeah.
You just see them online and take them or whatever. Because I normally tell people, before I teach you something, you have to see proof of my class, my lectures, my past lectures. How can a tutor doesn't have free university?
100%.
Free universities,
Yeah.
YouTube. You call somebody, I want you to be my mentor, please, can you give me your YouTube classes? Let me see what you have been teaching.
Yeah. Or what have you produced?
What have you
Have you turned anyone into,
Yeah.
are they successful? Let's look at that.
And I think that's the reason why we are different, because what we do is we live stream.
Yeah.
We give you that proof to
100%.
show you what we do and why we do it.
Yeah.
Because
Now-
after all, we are here to make trading easy.
Yeah.
And now,
100%.
if you want to buy trading tools,
Yeah.
software, maybe a robot or custom indicator,
Yes.
ask the owner, are you the developer or you are marketing?
Yes.
Let the person say which space he belongs into that tools you want to buy. If the person tell you I'm a marketer, I'm marketing this, but it's nice, ask for the person's account that is using the software want to sell for you.
100%.
Don't ask anything less than 1 year, because if it is 3 months, 6 months, it can be randomized. We call it randomized results. But when somebody trade for 1 year full, we don't see it as randomized result anymore, and it now become more realistic when it's becoming 1 year, 6 months, 2 years, 3 years. Then
100%.
you can go for that software.
And that is exactly what I was telling the guys. I've got phone calls every day. Sham, where's the robot? Sham, where's the robot? Where's the robot? I said, guys, relax. Yeah, calm down. We've got to make sure that we are putting something out there that we know that has run. We have proof of it. We've got to say that, listen, this is the profitability of the stuff. Then I'm happy to go out to market. 90% of all, if not all the robots out there, I don't think anyone can show me that stuff. There's many that I've had. There's many that I've taken. There's many that I've been given by people. It just
Even when somebody called me and asked me about robot, I normally give them a presentation of the robot first.
except for your robot. Your robot has got an exception.
I will tell them, just look at it, look at the performance sample.
Yeah.
And if you are not trusting that sample because it's in PDF, I put the link, the URL, you click it, it takes you to the third party platform
Right.
where it was hosted. And I'll tell you, if it look like what you are looking for, then come back.
Yes.
If it doesn't look like what you are looking for, then go elsewhere.
And that's something as well I can relate to, or that I tell the guys. Say, listen, if you think you're going to come and put $100 and tomorrow you're going to get $200, and then, in our copy trading, I said, this is not for you. Please do not come to us. We do not trade that copy trading, that way. We give you a return on your investment. You will be profitable, at the end of the month. But I can't tell you that I'm going to flip that thing. You're going to make
you flip
millions.
it, then you flip
Yeah.
your wallet became empty. Then you go back to street and start making noise. Forex is a scam. Forex is not a scam. You are the one stupid.
Yeah. Falling victim.
For how many times?
Yeah.
So let people, when you want to buy my robot now, there's no crime to say, okay, Mr. Falari, I want your robot, but can I get the proof of trade for 1 year?
Yeah.
I want to see the performance of your robot. But when you see it, oh, this area is not clear. Can you explain to me? I must not get offended. I must be able, because you need to protect yourself. You are the only one that knows how long it takes you to keep those money you want to invest.
Yeah.
Buy the robot and start trading. So you don't need to be shy of that to request for that.
100%.
And if you want to say somebody wants to say, okay, I want to be trading by buying signal, give me the signal performance for 1 year. I want to join your signal group.
Yeah.
But can I see 1 year performance of your results? And if the person give you a story, okay, maybe with benefit of doubt, you can pay for 1 month. And you see what is return over investment. And you ask for the guy that, okay, I'm your member for last month. I don't like my result. boss, can you send me your own result? Maybe I will get encouraging. Maybe I'm the one doing the wrong.
Something wrong.
If he cannot send you the trading profile of the robber, I mean, Signal has been sending you for a month, and you are so stupid to pay for second month, third month, then you are mad.
100%. You know, and I do that to the guys. Often I record it. I record it and I post it. Look at it. There's transparency. Have a look at it. Yeah.
We're talking about money.
Yeah.
It's the
Yeah.
key.
Yeah.
You know.
It's the key.
But anyway, Mr. Ola, it was lovely having you,
Thank you.
once again.
Thank you,
And
sir.
I know there's going to be many more,
Yeah.
you know, of these episodes. So guys, please stay tuned. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.
Team Sham, the FX Cartel Podcast.